Do you want to earn thousands of dollars a month on Udemy? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Udemy Success Blueprint, a guide that reveals how to turn your knowledge into a profitable online course. It's time to unlock the potential of your expertise. Imagine a world where your skills and knowledge generate a steady stream of income. This isn't a far-off dream, but an achievable reality. The Udemy Success Blueprint is your roadmap to this reality. It's a method that has helped countless people transform their lives by sharing what they know with the world. This isn't just about making money. It's about making a difference. Every course you create empowers someone else with new knowledge and skills. It's a win-win situation. You profit from your knowledge while helping others grow and develop. Stay tuned to discover the step-by-step instructions to achieve this.
Before to dive into this topic, give that thumbs up that gives me a motivation to make more videos. Subscribe to my channel to stay connected with latest released videos. Leave a comment for questions or suggestions. And don't forget to check the description for a full guide ebook link that you will be needing in your Udemy earning journey.
First, you need to understand what Udemy is and how it works. Udemy is more than just a website. It's a comprehensive online learning platform brimming with opportunities. Imagine a global classroom at your fingertips where anyone can become a teacher and share their knowledge. That's Udemy in a nutshell. It's a marketplace for learning and teaching where millions of students enroll in courses spanning a myriad of topics. From web development to basket weaving, Udemy courses cover almost anything you can think of. The beauty of it all lies in its simplicity. As an instructor, you create and sell your courses. Students purchase these courses, and voila, you've just made a sale. The potential for income generation is huge. With the right course, marketing, and persistence, you could be earning thousands a month. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires planning, effort, and a lot of passion. Now that you understand Udemy, let's dive into how you can succeed on this platform. Creating a successful course is the cornerstone of earning on Udemy. This statement rings true no matter where or how you plan to share your knowledge. One of the first steps towards success is choosing a profitable niche. This choice is pivotal. You need to find a balance between your passion, expertise, and the market demand. If you're teaching a subject you're passionate about, your enthusiasm will shine through, making your course more engaging. But passion alone isn't enough. You need to ensure there's a hungry audience out there, eager to learn what you have to teach. Next, we move on to creating engaging content. This is where you put your expertise to work. Your content should be well-structured, comprehensive, and engaging. Break your course into manageable chunks, deliver your content in a way that's easy to understand, and make sure to include practical exercises to help your students apply what they've learned. Keep in mind that learning is not a spectator sport. The more interactive and engaging your course is, the better. Now let's talk about pricing. Setting a competitive price is a delicate act of balance. Price your course too high, and you might scare off potential students. Price it too low, and you might undervalue your work. Research your competition, understand the value you're providing, and price your course accordingly. Another crucial aspect of a successful course is the quality of your video and audio. Poor video and audio quality can be a distraction and can turn off your students. Invest in a good quality microphone and camera. Remember, your course's production value reflects your professionalism. Lastly, keep an eye on feedback and reviews. They are a goldmine of information that can help you improve your course and keep it relevant. Don't shy away from criticism. Embrace it, learn from it, and let it guide you towards creating better content. Remember, the quality of your course determines how much you can earn. So, put in the effort, make your course the best it can be, and the rewards will follow. You have your course ready. Now it's time to market it. This is where your journey truly begins. Marketing is the key that unlocks the door to your audience, the bridge that connects your hard work to those who will benefit from it. Let's delve into the world of marketing strategies, starting with social media. The power of social media as a marketing tool cannot be underestimated. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, these are more than just platforms to share photos of your breakfast. They are digital arenas where you can engage with your potential students, build relationships, and share content. Post about your course, share snippets of your content, and engage with your audience. Remember, social media thrives on interaction. So don't just post and forget. Respond to comments, answer questions, and create a community around your course. Email marketing is another powerful tool. By building an email list, you can keep your audience informed about your course, send them updates or new content, and keep your course on their minds. Even a simple monthly newsletter can be a powerful way to keep your audience engaged. And let's not forget about Udemy promotions. Udemy often runs promotions that can help you reach a wider audience. Participate in these promotions to increase your course visibility and attract more students. Now, let's talk about reviews and ratings. Positive reviews and high ratings can significantly boost your course's visibility on Udemy. Encourage your students to leave reviews and ratings. Not only do they help you improve your course, but they also show potential students that your course is worth their time and money. Remember, marketing is not a one-off task. It's an ongoing process. Keep refining your strategies, keep engaging with your audience, and keep promoting your course. The more effort you put into marketing, the more rewards you will reap. With effective marketing, you can reach more students and increase your earnings. So don't just create a course. Market it. Let the world know what you have to offer. Earning on Udemy doesn't stop at one course. Now let's dive into the 5th chapter of our Udemy Success Blueprint, which is all about growing your Udemy business. It's crucial to understand that a thriving Udemy business isn't built overnight. It requires time, dedication, and a clear understanding of your audience's needs. One of the most effective strategies for growth is creating multiple courses. Why limit yourself to a single subject when you can share your knowledge on a variety of topics? The more courses you have, the more opportunities you create for learners to discover you. And remember, each new course is a potential revenue stream. Updating your existing courses is also a key part of growth. As we all know, the world doesn't stand still, and neither should your courses. Keep them fresh, engaging, and relevant. Regular updates not only help to maintain the quality of your courses, but also show your commitment to providing the best learning experience possible. Interacting with your students is another aspect that can significantly contribute to your business growth. Respond to their queries, engage in discussions, appreciate their feedback, and most importantly, show them you care. This interaction can help build a loyal student base, and a satisfied student is more likely to recommend your course to others. That's free marketing, folks. But let's not forget that growth also means staying on top of trends and continuously learning. This is a dynamic platform, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. So keep learning, keep improving, and keep adapting your strategies. In conclusion, growing your Udemy business involves a combination of strategies, including creating multiple courses, updating existing ones, and maintaining a strong relationship with your students. It's a cycle of continuous improvement, learning, and engagement. Maintain this cycle and watch your Udemy business grow. Remember, success comes to those who are patient, persistent, and ready to adapt. So keep pushing forward, and let's turn that Udemy Success Blueprint into a reality. So, are you ready to turn your knowledge into a profitable Udemy course? Well, that brings us to the end of our insightful journey through the world of Udemy. We've explored how understanding Udemy's platform can set you up for success. We've delved into creating a course that is not only informative but also engaging and marketable. And let's not forget, we've also discussed strategies to effectively market your course to reach a wider audience and grow your Udemy business. The potential for income generation on Udemy is immense. With a well-crafted course and strategic marketing, you could be earning thousands of dollars a month. It's all about leveraging your knowledge and skills and sharing them with the world. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Also, check the description for an ebook link that offers a full guide to succeeding on Udemy. Start your Udemy success journey today.